So in today's lecture of PD, that is partial differential equation, I'm going to give you this thing. Find the parameter from the equation and find the PD. Okay, so I will be solving these two equations in this today's lecture of partial differential equation. So let me start with the first one. Okay, so what is the first one? Eliminate parameters and find PDE. That is partial differential equation. First is what? Z is equal to x plus y into y plus b. Okay. If I differentiate this with respect to x, what I am going to get? Zx. If I am going to differentiate this with respect to x, what I am going to get is dou z by dou x is nothing but p, right? If I differentiate this with respect to y, what I am going to get? If I differentiate z with respect to y, I am going to get q, right? So let me solve this. Let me take this as 1, equation 1. Okay, so z is equal to x plus b into y plus b. Take it as 1. If I differentiate this equation 1 with respect to x, what I am going to get? What is z? If I differentiate with respect to x, what I am going to get is nothing but p. So p is equal to, write down, differentiate this with respect to x, so what I'm going to get is y plus b. Okay, and here what it is, x, differentiation of x is nothing but 1, which is equal to nothing but y plus b. Okay, so the value of p is y plus b. Okay, sorry, okay, what is p? Is equal to y plus b. Okay, so here what is a and p? They are the parameters, so we have to eliminate them, right? So next is what? Differentiate equation 1 with respect to y. So what I have to do is I have to differentiate this equation 1 with respect to y. Okay, so z, if I differentiate with respect to y, what I am going to get is nothing but this q, right? So write down, q is equal to, differentiate, what I am going to get is x plus a. Okay, x plus a into what? If I differentiate it with respect to y, I am going to get 1. Okay, so this is equal to, q is equal to x plus a. Okay, now what I have to do is, so equation 1 will give us what? Equation 1 becomes, so what does this equation 1 will become? Write down z is as it is. So z is equal to x plus a y plus b. Okay, now this equation 1 will become z is equal to, what is x plus a? X plus a is what? X plus a is nothing but q. So write down, place the value. What is y plus b? Nothing but p, right? This is p. And this is nothing but q, right? So now place the value. Now this can be written in terms of z is equal to p into q. Okay, one and the same. So now we have eliminated p and q in this. Okay, so we are done with the first one. Now we are going to do the second one. Okay, here was the same thing. If I differentiate this z with respect to x, what I am going to get is dou z upon dou x is equal to p, and if I differentiate this z with respect to y, I am going to get q, right? Now let us plug the values. Now take it as 1. Okay, take this equation to be 1. Now differentiate 1 with respect to x. First what I am going to do is I am going to differentiate this with respect to x. I am going to differentiate this one. So z, if you differentiate with respect to x, you are going to get p. That is 2p is equal to twice, okay, twice x plus y into a. Okay, if I differentiate this, what I am going to get? A will remain. Okay, a into 1 is a. So now p is equal to twice ax plus y into a. Upon this 2 will go down. What is going to happen? 2 is going to get cancelled. And what is going to remain? P is equal to a into ax plus y. Take it as equation 2. Okay. Next is, Okay, now I'm going to differentiate this one with respect to y. So 2q, okay, what I'm going to get, if I differentiate z with respect to y, I'm going to get q. So write down here 2q is equal to twice ax plus y. In place of y, what is there? If I differentiate with respect to y, I will get 1. So 2y x plus y will remain. This 2, bring it down. Now this 2 will get cancelled. Sorry, this 2 is going to get cancelled, not this. And what you are going to get is q is equal to, write down whatever is remaining, x plus y. Take this as equation 3, okay? So we got equation 1, 2 and 3 we have. So substitute 3 in 1. So I have to substitute this 3 in this one, okay? This I will write it here, somewhere here. Okay, this I have written it already. So substitute 3 in 1. So what I have to substitute? Ax plus y in place of q. So ax plus y is nothing but q. But square is there, so put square plus b as it is. Okay, 2z I have written as it is. So b, take it here. So b is equal to 2z minus q square. 2z, this q square I have taken it other side, so minus q square. From 2 what I am going to get is, that is equation 2. Where is it? Equation 2 is here. P is equal to a into x plus y. Okay, so p is equal to a into x plus y. So from 2 what I am going to get, p is equal to a into, what is x plus q? Ax plus y is nothing but q, right? Then a is equal to p upon q, take it down. Okay, so we got the value of a and now we want the value of b. So equation 1 becomes what? What does this equation 1 will become? 2z is equal to p upon q x. Okay, what is a? The value of a is p upon q. So p upon q into x is here plus y, in the bracket, write down square, plus what it is, b. What is the value of b? So plus 2z minus q square. So 2z is equal to, what is going to remain? Px plus, so here I have placed the value of b, that is here 2z minus q the whole square. 2z, write it as it is equal to px plus this multiply with this qy the whole square, and upon this square is for this one also, so q square plus 2z minus q square. Now this 2z is going to get cancelled. Next is q square is equal to this px plus qy the whole square upon q square. I am writing this term behind. Okay, so q square, take it this side, so it will become q raised to power of 4 is equal to px plus qy the whole square. Now if you put roots on both the side, I'm going to get q square is equal to px plus qy. You can write this as px plus qy minus, bring it inside, minus q square is equal to 0. So here we have eliminated the value of a and b. I hope you all have understood today's lecture and thanks for watching.